Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Bainbridge Manufacturing PL1710AL. This is a plastic recessed drawer pull, 2 7/8 center to center in an almond finish. So this is a plastic drawer pull. You'll see this in lots of different furniture type of applications. Give you some basic dimensional properties. They have an overall length of about 3 5/8, right on, just shy of that. An overall, they don't give a height, but the overall height appears to be about 1 inch and 9/16. A projection, they say, is 1 inch. That's going to be closer to about 1/2 of an inch. An overall thickness of the item, that's about 1 inch and 1/16. They have a 2 7/8 dimension for the center to center. I would say that would be accurate. Okay. Almond is the color. They have a mortise hole of 3 1/8. And at the top of the unit, looks like it's about 1 1/4 inches. Okay. Screws are not included. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Bainbridge products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If there are any questions on the Bainbridge, this is their part number PL1710AL, aluminum recessed plastic drawer pull, or any other Bainbridge product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.